When you're building a real estate investing business, you want it to be as boring as possible. And here's what I mean by that. Whether you're rehabbing rentals, building a rental portfolio, wholesaling, whatever the case may be, you want to keep the same duplicatable process every single time. Let's go and check out one of the rehabs. A lot of times people ask, what kind of finishings do we put in our rehab projects and how do we pick them out? Which is a great question. Years ago, one of our coaches taught us to dive into the market and see what's selling in the market we're in, which at that time was colonnade gray, white cabinets, laminate vinyl plank flooring, carpet in the bedrooms. So what we did was we built the system around that. We started building our rehabs with the same products in every single house. Nothing changes. Every single one is exactly the same. The house might change, the size of the house might change, but the products never change. What you'll have over time is your rehab projects, your rental properties, whatever it is you're doing will be like a product going down the assembly line. You want to think of it like a car going down the assembly line, getting built as it goes. Everything's the same over and over and over again. Not only will this help you create a business that you could possibly sell one day, but it'll also keep you on time, under budget, every single deal you do. And if you like tips like this, follow me for more.